Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very, very nice move. Granted, the move started yesterday, but definitely carried into today. And I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price closed as of Friday, I think any rational person would agree that, yeah, this has definitely been a very, very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make it, mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 67-cent mark. Why is 67 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 67. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Or let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. And that's assuming a pretty deep pullback. I'm not saying that sort of pullback is going to occur. I'm just saying that there is quite a bit of wiggle room now for the price to still build that overall base. So it's all about starting to make progress. And in my opinion, at least that quote unquote progress point again at 67. As far as areas of resistance are concerned going into next week, it's all about the pink line right there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200 period simple moving average. Right now that is valued at 81 cents. So keep an eye on that level going into next week. But anyway, you slice it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.